Tip number 2 is a picture speaks 1,000 words. So a good way to think of that is to annotate your images to turn them into graphics. And this is something you can actually do, I'm pretty sure, on Glorify itself. You can annotate images, and it really turns just a basic image into something that relays more information than just something visual, right? So the thing to keep in mind is that anyone can throw some graphics and images on a landing page, but it takes skill to make sure that they lead towards the point of conversion. What information is this image or graphic that you've added relaying to the user that's going to push them further towards the point of conversion and remove friction from the point of sale? Can you make sure that, like, anytime you think of putting an image on the page, it needs to serve a purpose. You shouldn't just put images and graphics on the page to kind of take up space and fluff up the page. It always needs to serve a purpose, just like ad copy serves a purpose to push people towards taking action on your offer, whatever it is. Same thing applies on images. You need to make sure that they're pushing people to take action. So make your images relevant. I personally, this is my belief, I never use random illustrations that don't relate to what point you're trying to get across on your landing pages. In my experience, these make pages look very generic and they lose its effect immediately. Like maybe 3 years ago when I would see a page with illustrations on it, I would think, oh, this is cool. Like, this is a well-designed page. Like, they invested into a Illustrator to create these graphics. Looks great. But now anytime I see a page with generic illustrations on it, I almost immediately leave the page because I know that there's thousands of other companies using these same exact illustrations on their page. It's not conveying any information that's pertinent towards what's being told on the landing page. Instead of using just generic illustrations, use thoughtful images and graphics that illustrate a point that you want to get across without needing paragraphs of text. So as you can see on this image right here, this is a CBD company client that we had worked with. It's just the image I was given was a basic bottle of CBD. This image right here, I added this like kind of liquid thing going on about it. I added these leaves in the background. And then I added, as you can see on the right, this like annotation type thing that says Ecolife extracts. They're additive free, they're all natural, they're non-GMO, they're physical healing, and they're mental healing. So this image speaks a lot more than if it was just that bottle, right? I'm almost getting across all the information from like a full paragraph just in these few words right here annotated onto it. From this, they now know that this is additive free. They know that it's all natural. They know that it's non-GMO and that it heals physically and mentally. So I implore you guys, try and annotate your images because that makes a huge difference on how the customer perceives like the information that you're trying to get across on the product. Just by annotating like that, you'll be able to list out features, list out benefits, say things about the product that you would normally need like a full paragraph to say, right? So rule number 2, annotate your images. Use your basic images to create graphics that actually convey information to the end user.